morning, everybody. I know I haven't posted a video in a while. I thought that I would take this opportunity to let everybody know that I will no longer be posting any videos on this channel. Why? Because we now have an official channel, okay? So if you look at the description below, you will find the link to the official channel that I will be posting more videos on, so you can see more of Big Red, more of how I've been thinning out the herd, more of just everything that is vintage Yamaha backyard restoration related. I would like to thank all of you for all of the support that you've given me, the views, the subscriptions, even buying a little bit of merchandise too. Remember, this merchandise is available. Some of you have been buying it, and I appreciate that. That helps me out a lot. So with that being said, everybody, stay tuned because I am launching the new channel on Monday. No, not on Monday. On Sunday. No, not on Sunday. How about today? By the time that you listen to this message, the channel will already be up and it will be ready. But I need your help. I need you to be able to subscribe to the new channel so that you can continue to get the content that I have been so painstakingly working on. And in order for you to do that, I need you to click on that link down in the description, subscribe, click the notification bell so that you can start getting all of the notifications about the new videos that are going to be coming out. Some of these videos are going to be some do-it-yourself videos like they've been before, but some of them are going to be something new. I actually want to take the bikes out and get out and about and show off these old vintage Yamaha bikes. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, whether you're a rider, an enthusiast, or just somebody who is killing time by watching my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the new channel. I thank you oh so very much for the time that you have spent watching my videos, and I look forward to being able to continue to give you high quality content and lots of entertainment. Have a safe and happy 4th of July, everybody.